Now we will not send it as JSON, we will send it as JSON format. Response dot status, the status code will be 200. okay, that means success dot JSON. Message would be, actually this would be inside curly braces, so give the curly braces and success. Save it once again, reload the page. You see this is now JSON format, is saying message success. Okay, now let's set up our MySQL database. MySQL, search for MySQL, npm. We need to install this dependency. Just click here, it will copy automatically and paste it on your terminal. I am going to open new terminal by using new tab. What you can do is Ctrl C, Ctrl Shift V, install MySQL. After that run the same command, npm run dev. It will run our server once again, but now we have set up our MySQLs. Actually now we have installed our MySQL dependency. Next we have to do some setup. At first we need to create a connection. We can just copy this. Actually we can write by ourselves. Let's write it above this app. Const MySQL is equal require MySQL. Let's create a connection with MySQL. MySQL dot create connection, curly braces. Inside this curly braces we need to put some option. First option will be host. For now it's blank. User, this is also blank. Password, this is also blank. And next we'll have database. This is also blank as well. And we can take it inside a variable. Const connection is equal MySQL create connection. We have created the connection. Let's connect. Con dot connect. We are going to connect with the database by using this method. We'll have a callback function. There will be a parameter of error, and inside this callback function let's check if there is any error. Throw that error. Okay, console log if there is no error. DB is connected successfully, and comma con dot thread ID. Now still it will, actually DB is connected successfully it's saying, but it is not connected successfully. We haven't put any config information, host, user, password or database. We need to create that. To create this credential, open your terminal or PowerShell once again and in new tab. Okay, in here cd2 opt. For Linux user you just need to go like this, but for Windows user you can search for XAMPP control panel. From here there you need to start your Apache server as well. Apt opt lamp ls and sudo manager Linux x64 run, Control Shift C, Control Shift V. It will ask you for password, administration password. Okay, for manage server you also need to start this Apache web server. Okay, start it, and from the browser you just need to go to localhost / php myadmin. Okay, and it will take you to the php myadmin. It may ask for username and password. You just need to put admin and admin as username and as password, both the same. Okay, let's at first set up the user accounts. We are going to create a new user. We already have a user root or Sion. In root you can see there is no password. You can just put like this, user as root and password blank. Host name would be localhost. Okay, from the user accounts add a new user. Username will be admin, host will be localhost, and password will be admin, and data password admin. Okay, we want to run as localhost and grant all permission and go. It will create a new user. Okay, go. Okay, user accounts. Now we have a user. That username is admin and that has a password. So let's change it. This user would be admin and password would be admin. Database, let's create a database. Create new, and database name will be nodejs _CRUD. Type it here, node _CRUD. Was it same? Yes, it is same. Actually in nodejs CRUD there will be 4 columns. Actually we can go with 3 columns, and the first table name will be players. Go. The first table name will be id type will be integer, and length will be 11, and it is auto incremented. Yeah, comments. Okay, auto incremented. And name will be varchar 255, maximum length. Club will be varchar 255 of length. Okay, now click on go, save. Yes, we have created a simple table with name of players. Go to database, here it is. Okay, next, actually we can close it from here. We don't need it anymore. Once again check on your terminal what it is running. Yes, database is connected successfully.